This is Bowman 7914. We need to give away the raise to somebody in this break. Raise space S equals, that's close enough for me. 5 times on this list. Team on top after 5 will get the raise. 3, 4, 5. Mets. Raise equals Mets. And the Mets equals Michael Bartlett. Good luck, Michael. Justin Jefferson. I love Justin Jefferson. NFL bottle. It's pretty much Tua. You have to hold. He's not worth selling yet. But he could jump very quickly. Good luck, Bowmans. And Joey B, you have to hold him after they missed out on the old Super Bowl action. Austin Martin had everything ready to list. Wilman Diaz to 109. Austin Martin. Don't forget those fillers for the NFL showcase. Those breaks will happen now as part of this show, so we'll be able to get straight into them. Cracked ice, Luis Matos. Do the Jack Jumpers have it in them? I honestly couldn't care less about the NBL. I didn't even know they were up to playoffs, and all of a sudden everyone's messaging saying Melbourne sucks. What are you talking about, mate? Josh Lowe. Bobby Witt Jr. NFL showcases tonight, AFL showcases tonight, and so is NBA showcase. AFL will be the first one to go, that was first full. So the daily breaks will happen at 5, and then straight after that we'll be into the showcases, and then after that will be the other breaks that are set for tonight. There's only a few. Soccer one, I think there's a Revolution. Can't remember if I did a Revolution. Don Russ baseball. Mosaic basketball, we'll get that full tonight. Wanda Franco Roy favourites, it's going to be a big night actually. AFL showcase, I would say aim for about 6 o'clock. Hedbert Perez. Marcelo Amaya. Matas. Say that other Bowman break will probably go tonight, the 2-boxer, unless it gets a nice run on now. Jason Dominguez. These other 2 should go now. They were down to 1 or 2 and 6 spots or something. We've got a Revolution we can do. A couple of helmet breaks are ready to go. First auto, well, it's the only auto we're going to get. James Triantos. Just going with the James T, and I like it. for the Cubs. NBA showcase will be about 7:30. Yeah, 7 to 7:30. Austin Hendrick, 95 of 299. Nico claimed. Oh boy. Is he good? Nico's up and about for Triantos. Talk to me, Nico. DL Hall. Daisuke too quick. Green, the first one of them we've had, Francisco Lindor to 99. Not a bad green. I like the green and the yellow on the paper cards. Suits them. Bailey doing some good hustling. Purple Heriberto Hernandez 110-1250. There's also a clearly Donruss box up with a showcase spot in it. NFL showcase will be after AFL and NBA tonight. Hopefully it fills. Otherwise we'll do it tomorrow, but I'm confident we can get it done tonight. Brennan Davis.